Automating industrial equipment requires a factory network that supports myriad communication protocols, but each protocol adds cost and complexity, development and coding time. The ADI Chronous Embedded Reference Design EVRPG2 is a complete industrial Ethernet communication interface solution that combines hardware and software to support the multiple protocols required by factory networks. Its small form factor, low power, and ease of use simplifies design of industrial networks and can support most common industrial protocols, and you can expand system capabilities beyond a single protocol. A complete, proven, and verified system design lets you save design time and debug effort, and ultimately get to market faster with less risk. Pre-tested software is included with the hardware for each protocol standard, slashing your development time. Build your industrial automation network the easy way with EVRPG2.